Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words quite and quiet. Let's look at each one individually. Quite is an adverb, used to indicate a significant degree or extent, very, entirely. For example, the movie was quite interesting. She is quite talented at playing the piano. Quiet, an adjective, characterized by a lack of noise, calm or peaceful. For example, it was a quiet evening at home. Please be quiet during the presentation. To summarize, quite modifies adjectives or adverbs to express degree. Quiet describes a state of silence or low volume. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.